welcome to another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann.
Solomon grandpa Ghana, Ecuador, left him wife and pitney out the door. Nobody's business but my own.
We talk about current affairs affecting Jamaicans not only in the island but anywhere you are.
I got pregnant, and then I had to think about, but me I come from church, or my church people I'm going to say, but my mother going to say.
Are you voting this year?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
We outdid ourselves.
And especially Meghan Markle being an American, this American woman coming here and stealing our prince and then saying
Are using Jamaican proverbs to explain how this JetBlue flight attendant lost her job. Like,